Venus introduces the heat pump water heater for the first time in India. It uses renewable energy heat sources from the ambient air to heat water. It can provide water around the clock throughout the year. It is energy efficient and affordable. Let's have a look at how the heat pump water heater works. The major components of a heat pump water heater include an evaporator, a compressor, a heat exchanger, and an expansion valve. The operation begins with air being forced through an evaporator which contains the liquid refrigerant with the help of a fan. This refrigerant evaporates to a gas and extracts heat from the ambient air. The warm gaseous refrigerant then passes through the compressor, which increases its pressure and it becomes a hot gas. This hot gas enters a heat exchanger, condenser, and transfers its heat to the water flowing from the storage tank. The refrigerant cools down in the condenser and becomes a warm liquid. It then passes through an expansion valve and becomes a cool liquid and enters the evaporator again. The cycle is then repeated in this manner. The unmatched efficiency from a heat pump water heater is evident as only 1 unit of electricity can produce up to 4 units of heat. Let's see how this process translates into more savings. The heat pump water heater has much lower operating costs than an alternative heating system. They use 25% lower operating costs than a solar water heater, 75% lower than a boiler, and 80% less than an electric water heater. Their compact size and ease of installation makes it perfect for any location. And the capacity can be scaled to meet requirements ranging from individual houses to large commercial installations. The heat pump water heater provides a continuous supply of hot water. It works in any kind of weather, at night, during the day, in rain and even on cold days. And it is simple to operate with presets for time and temperature. Get in touch today to find out how you can save more.